so we're gonna be playing Forza, and you can see on the other camera. So let's go. I'm gonna start. Okay, let's go. Okay, it's pretty easy because I got a Lamborghini in the game. I modified it before the video, and if you guys could like and subscribe, it took so long to set up this, literally. So yeah, just subscribe. Like, come on, 100% subscribe. Like, you guys would grow this channel more and more and more. That would be crazy. Like, literally, just grow the channel, bro. Did you know, guys, there's a myth that YouTubers are always watching you? Yeah, I'm watching you. I'm watching you. So, hurry up, click that subscribe button. You have? No, you haven't? Click that subscribe button. Okay, good. Go back. What? Okay. So, this Lamborghini is white and blue. It's modified the engine. I got all the engines. I made it faster. It sounds so much better. I can't even believe it. I love this Lamborghini. It's so fast. It's like one of the fastest cars I have. Well, it is one of the fastest. I have a Bugatti. It's pretty fast. Yeah, it's pretty fast. I could drive 180, but like when I'm slow. But when I'm going fast, I drive 2 meters. One this way, 2 this way. Yeah. Okay, okay. Comment down below if you play Forza, because then this video is meant for you if you play Forza. Because if you haven't known, if you're playing like today, watching this video today, all you have to do is go to your gift, go to my horizon, and then you click message center, click it, and then you have to go to gifts, and then you see where it says you claim everything there. So yeah, you claim all your stuff there, and that's very good that you claimed your stuff there. So once you have done that, then you go to your cars, check your cars, and that's when you have your Lamborghini. And if you're lucky enough, you can get the old Lamborghini, it's real cool. But and then you can modify it, because like for me, I got like 5 million now from all the wheels and stuff. Those wheels, no, there's like this one wheel that gave me 300,000. So yeah, just see if you can do it, because you just have to go to your menu, click gifts, and that's, yeah. Am I back where my house is? No, don't tell me I'm back. I'm back where my house is. Look, I just did a whole circle. It's crazy. Okay. So now, since we're on the road, we're gonna be going to I don't know. We're gonna check the map so we can see what race we're gonna go to. I'm looking for a race. Let's go to that one. So now we got a race there. Okay, I gotta turn around. I'm gonna try going as fast as I can to get there, so I don't waste up my much time as you guys can. Okay. I'm doing good right now. Comment down below what car should be next for my next Forza video. Comment down below which one I should do next for my next Forza video. I could do Bugatti. If you guys have a car that I don't have, it's okay. I can get it. Just comment down below what car I should do, and I'll do it. We're like 5 miles away. Yeah, this is not gonna be easy. No, now it's 4 miles, but I'm on the highway, so I'm going pretty fast. As much as I could see, this is like one of my, I think this could be one of my best videos because there's a lot of Forza people out there. I could do Forza 4 if you guys want, and yeah, I'll do Forza 4 maybe next time. I'll see. Ah! Crap! Oh! Gotta get back on the highway. That's actually yeah, no doubt. Okay, now we're back on the road. No, now it's easy. I think so. Also, traffic. Oh, that okay, crap. Alright. Oh, what? How is that close now? It was just 4.5 miles, now it's 2? Damn. Okay, you guys know. This Lamborghini is like one of the sickest Lamborghinis. And if you guys get this Lamborghini, then you should like just put it to white and then it will put it to blue and white. It looks so good. It looks so good. And this Lamborghini looks so good. You guys should definitely get it. Also, if you're asking how much wheels are there, there's about like 20 wheels or 25 wheels for you to spin. So then you can pretty much do a lot with that car. So now we gotta turn left, as it's saying on the GPS menu. Is it? Do you guys know if it's a GPS or if it's a map thing, like a map director? I really don't know. For me, it's a GPS. I don't know. I don't know, but just tell me. Like, yeah, sure. Just tell me. Is it a GPS or is it a map director? Thank you for watching this video and bye.